These days, data is very expensive, so we have to improvise in every situation. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways in which you can be able to get cheap data. This works on MTN, Telecel, Airtel, Tigo, and most especially if you live or reside in Ghana, or maybe you are coming to Ghana for the Xmas or New Year holidays. This video is actually for you. Make sure you watch till the end because the last one is actually the best of every of this expose which I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's go. That a whole lot of people are used to the star 141 hash code on MTN, in which they usually used to buy their data, or the star 138 hash code, which a whole lot of people actually use. But the point I'm trying to say in this video is that if you're using star 141 hash to buy data, you're actually living in the past, because there's a whole lot of new secrets out there which people are using to be able to get cheap and affordable data on our network, most especially if you're in Ghana, if you reside in Ghana. So I'm going to be showing you these codes as we go on. What you need to do is to be able to go to these sites which I'm going to be showing you. And once you go to this site, you just purchase the data. You just create an account, then sign in your number. Then with that, you can be able to buy data or give data to your family and friends, or you can share or sell. This is what actually some of these merchants actually do, to be able to sell data to individuals that are in need of cheap data. So now the next one is this particular code which I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you guys this code, which is star 203 star 300 hash. This is actually a code in which you yourself can be able to use to buy data, and it's very affordable. You're going to see that these are cheap and very affordable datas which anyone can be able to buy. So once you dial this code, it's going to bring up the prompt for you to select either MTN or any other network in which is actually available. So you just need to buy the data, select it, and once you key in your number, it's going to it's going to bring a mobile money prompt for you to be able to put in your code. So what this one does is that you buy the data directly into your phone. You yourself, you can buy for someone. So that's actually what this code stands for, and automatically you're going to this data is going to be delivered to you in the next 2 hours 30 minutes. That's what they usually do, because these actually their policy, how it works. And sometimes I observe that it usually comes faster sometimes, and sometimes it also comes exactly the 2 hours 30 minutes, or sometimes it goes above the 2 hours 30 minutes, but you just need to be patient with the whole thing. So this is actually the second way in which you can be able to get these cheap and affordable data for all network, guys. And now one of the most important, guys, which is what I'm going to be showing you guys, and is very simple, and you just need to do what, follow the direction in which I'm going to give you guys. So now one of the first thing which you want to do is to go to your browser and type these particular keywords, and once you type it, it's going to bring up these particular sites, and it's going to ask you to either download this app, or you can just go to the website. So now once you go to the website, you're going to see different things. And with this particular site, you can, if you want to be selling data to make money, you can be able to do what? Use this particular site to sell data. You can use it to distribute data. So now once it comes up, it will ask you either to create an account or not. But the first thing which you want to do if you want to be able to get data is to do what it is going to ask you for: an email address, the phone number in which you want to send the data to. Then after that, then your email address, then you select the particular package in which you want to do. Then after that is now going to take you to the Momo prompt, where you put your mobile money number. That's the phone number in which you want the money, the charges to be withdrawn from. So once you do that, it's going to bring up the prompt whereby you can now be able to key in your mobile money code. That's where you want want them to charge you from. So once you key in the code, that is all. Then you click on, you have confirmed, you have made the payment. Once you click on this particular thing, you see that automatically the money will be deducted from your Momo, and they are going to tell you the same thing, that in the next 2 hours, 30 minutes or more, the data is going to be delivered to the particular number. That's the first number in which you put in. And with that, you can be able to sell data. You can see that this particular one is actually one of the cheapest, because, and this is actually the best. This is what I use most times, or sometimes I use the second option if I'm buying for myself. So with that, you can be able to get cheap data or transfer data to your family and friends. These are some of the best ways in which you can get cheap data anywhere, guys. And if you find this video valuable and very interesting, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe. And one thing I want you to know is that these are legal sites, these are legal means, legal ways in which you can be able to get these data. It's not free, but you see that out of the first, the second option, and the last option which I'm giving, you can see that this last is actually somehow the best, because the data is quite cheaper compared to the first and the second. So this is actually the best one of them all, because I actually get cheap and affordable data from using this particular app or going to the site to be able to purchase this data. So thank you for watching. Make sure to follow or subscribe to this channel for more. Have a blessed day. And I have a next video coming up. Make sure you subscribe, guys.